Welcome back to the channel, guys. David Harris here. Today we're checking out our skid under 20 grand that's getting shipped out at the end of the week. This skid comes with everything you need to start your pressure washing business or add on to your existing business. Let's go check out right over here. All right, we're going to start right here with our buyer's box, all aluminum. We got our guns in there, Flow Pro remote, 24 group marine battery. We got a NoCo battery charger. You can plug it in with an extension cord right here. Nice and easy. Keep your battery nice and charged. You want the battery charged for your 12-volt system right here. This is our Softwash system. It's a 7 gallon per minute, 100 PSI Remco Fat Boy pump at the Flow IQ model for soft washing. So what's going to be supporting that is our clear manifold, all chem line valves, 3-way banjo, and those are hooked onto our 3/4 inch suction hoses, those Tiger Flex blue hoses. Nice premium hose, and for no leaks, we got the uniseals here, and that's dropped down to an elbow and a PVC pipe over it. We'll check those out in 1 minute. Also have all stainless steel clamps down to the screw on there, fully stainless. Plus we upgraded the hose right here going to the suction side of the 12 volt to a 300 PSI ag hose from Rampage. And then the other most important part, power in the system, is our 5.5 gear drive pressure washer from High Flow Systems with a VRT3 unloader. And what we did was we put a couple of brass elbows here, changed this fitting here from a 3/8 to 1/2 inch. And that's our bypass line that goes right back into our water tank. And by the way, these are 2 water tanks together, plus one 100 gallon for the bleach, and we'll show how that's tied in on the other side. On this side, we do have our 1-inch bulkhead coming over to our 1-inch banjo Y filter, and that comes straight up right into our pump here. Nicely done with our rubber clamp, hose clamp here, keeping that nice and sturdy. And another thing about this pressure washer here, it is electric start. Very nice. You can still use the pull system if you want. It's all up to you. So inside our skid, what I was saying earlier is we got the tanks, and we got the 7 gallon soap tank with a custom stainless strap for it. But inside the tanks, we do have the uniseal. So how you do that is you throw the hose right through it. You get your PVC pipe that's sticking over this. You got your elbow barb at the end. You can also put a slotted filter at the end as well. That's another option. This customer didn't care for those. So let's get on to the other side of the skid here. All right, we're on the passenger side of the skid, and that's where all your hose reels are going to be. That's where all the actions is. So this hose reel right here, all electric. We have 3 of them, King's 12-inch electric hose reels with stainless internals. And we also have these custom brackets to hold on your hoses. Like this one here is for your garden hose. The next one is 1/2 inch, and it's for your soft wash system. And our last one is for our pressure washer right here. And for the pressure washer, we have 200 feet of Cobra Jet gray smooth jacket hose. And on the soft wash, we have 200 feet, 1/2 inch Rampage soft wash hose. Comes in red or blue. Also has the stainless steel ends crimped on there. Very nice. And Flexzilla 5/8 hose from the house to fill up our water tanks. And on each one of these reels here, you're going to have a breaker for each one with upgraded 4 gauge. A little heavy duty, a little overkill, but that's what we do around here. Also, talking about a little bit of overkill for the type of skid that we're doing is we have a Flow Pro system here mounted right onto the reel, very clean looking. And I do want to show you guys something that I did, is this line right here that comes with it that goes to the battery, say. I cut it and we put it right on the solenoid of the hose reel, and then we grounded it where the motor's grounded on the hose reel as well. So now, turn that on. Boom, ready to go. Right over here, you're going to see we got the Flow Pro 3D printed mounts. Gets it nice and clean looking in there. And on here as well, we use a Cobra Jet whip line, 2-foot whip line for the bypass, a general pump stainless steel injector with a premium check valve, all stainless steel. And with that downstream injector, you're going to need a 3-way, also coming from Flow Pro. And he has this little box here, all 3D printed, but this is a very nice touch. You don't really even have to label it because you already know this is hot. You got your bleach and you got your blue for water, and then right in the middle you got off. And that's pretty much everything on this whole entire skid, guys, other than just to show you guys one little extra thing is to hook the tanks together. We have little kits on the website for this to put 2 or 3 of these tanks together. And these are 1.5 inch, so you get the best flow going from one tank to the other. You can see the drain line is 1 inch. You can upgrade that to 1.5 as well. It's only 200 gallons, nothing too crazy. But also on here, we do have full stainless steel T-bolt clamps to really make sure there's no leaks at all. And all the hardware on this whole entire skid is all 3/16, and then sometimes 304 stainless. Very premium product. Everything is built to last and get you through the whole season. If you guys are looking for a skid under 20 grand, check us out, softwashfactory.com. Peace.